Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, to the Honorable Miss Dr. Herlita Esos MX Div and Miss Yetila Stuti SPD MSI as the lecturer of English course. Before the start, let me introduce myself. My name is Gina Nafsa with ID number 17016240099 from Economic Education Class A of 2024, Faculty of Economic and Business, Jakarta State University. Today, I will present about my response to the journal that discuss the increase of tax tariff, additional value or VAT, 12% analysis of the impact on the budget and Indonesia economy. Okay, first I will elaborate a bit on the contents of the journal. The journal discussed that the Indonesian government will raise the value add tax or VAT or PPN in Indonesian rate from 11% to 12% in an effort to increase state revenue and strengthen the state budget to support priority sectors such as infrastructure, education, and social protection. This policy is expected to boost national development, but it has the potential to reduce people purchasing power, increase inflation by up to 2%, and reduce consumption, which has an impact on slowing economic growth. To minimize the impact, the government needs to implement mitigation strategies such as social protection program, subsidies for basic needs, and transparency of tax use. The success of this policy depends on public compliance with tax and efficient budget management so that the impact on vulnerable groups can be minimized. Well, my response to the article is that I agree with the article that discussed the VAT rate increase to 12% because this policy is a strategic step to strengthen the state revenue and support development in priority sectors such as infrastructure, education, and social protection. In a situation where state financing needs continue to increase, tax reforms such as these are necessary to create sustainable fiscal stability. However, I also agree that the negative impact on people purchasing power, especially low-income groups, must be minimized. Therefore, it is important for the government to ensure that there are effective mitigation strategies such as social assistance or subsidies for basic needs so that the price increase due to VAT does not burden the small community. In transparency and efficiency in the use of tax process are essential to build public trust. If this policy is implemented well and supported by tax education, I believe the impact will be more positive both for economic stability and long-term development. We can relate this to introductory economic material with Ms. Herlita. From a microeconomic point of view, this policy affect the theory of supply and demand, where an increase in VAT increase the price of goods and service. This tend to reduce the amount of good demand by consumers, especially for elastic goods. In addition, this policy can also be analyzed through the concept of tax burden, which is how the burden of the tax increase is shared between consumer and producer. And in a slightly basic goods such as food and transportation make consumer more likely to bear the bulk of the tax burden. In macroeconomic with Prof. Ari and Ms. Alifa, an increase in VAT rates affect aggregate consumption, which one of the main component of gross domestic product or GDP, decrease in purchasing power due to price hike may suppress household consumption and ultimately slow down economic growth. This policy also has the potential to increase inflation, as explained in the cost-plus inflation theory, where an increase in production costs or tax pass up the price of goods and services in the market. In addition, from a fiscal policy perspective, the Fed rate increase aims to increase state revenue to reduce the budget deficit, which is related to state budget management and fiscal sustainability. Okay. The Fed rate increase reflect the role of fiscal policy as an instrument to achieve economic stability and national development. Although it must be balanced with mitigation strategies to protect vulnerable groups. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.